welcome to the Thorough Newspaper Analysis for 8th December 2022. So today we will not be having any editorial articles as such, and instead we'll be focusing on the news update and the legal news for today. So firstly, we have 4 Indians on BBC's 100 Women list of influential figures of 2022. The actor-producer Priyanka Chopra Jonas, aeronautical engineer Shirisha Bandla, book-winning author Gitanjali Shri, and social worker Sneha Jawale are the 4 Indians on the BBC's 100 Women list of influential figures of the year. For the first time this year, the BBC asked some of the previous 100 women to nominate women they felt that deserve a place on the 2022 list. Secondly, we have Indonesia is placed on high alert as Mount Semeru volcano erupts in Java. Indonesia's Mount Semeru volcano has erupted, engulfing its surrounding with smoke and ash. Over 2,000 residents living in East Java province near the volcano have been evacuated. Thirdly, we have Olympic medalist Mirabai Chanu clinches silver at World Weightlifting Championships. The Indian lifted a total of 200 kgs, beating Olympic champion Ho Zui to secure second world's medal. Mirabai Chanu overcame a dodgy left wrist to win a silver at the Weightlifting World Championships in Bogota, Colombia. Fourthly, we have world's largest wind solar hybrid power developer with 450 megawatts of Rajasthan Plant. The Adani Green Energy Limited, the renewables unit of Adani Group, has become the world's largest wind solar hybrid power developer with the commissioning of its third wind solar hybrid power plant of the capacity of 450 megawatts in the Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. For the news updates, we have ad hoc employee can't replace another ad hoc employee. Only substantive appointment can make such replacement. Now, the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court has reiterated that an ad hoc employee cannot be replaced by another ad hoc employee, and that such position can only be filled by a candidate who is regularly appointed by following a regular procedure as prescribed. And the same was held in the case of Murad Ali Sajan and others versus Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So this was all for the rendition of today's thorough newspaper analysis. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, link of which you can find in the description, or you can always scan the barcode that is given on your screen. For any further information, please feel free to visit www.lawsikho.com. Thank you.